In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a loan on Union Bank Online. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, just type in unionbankonline.co.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Union Bank Online. Now, right from the homepage, just scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find various loan application forms. Just click on Online Loan Application and then click on Online Loan Application once again. Now you will be asked to select which kind of loan you want to apply for. Just select whichever kind of loan that you want to apply to, and then you can click on the Apply Now button to proceed with applying for your loan. Now just go ahead and register with your full name, your phone number and your email address, followed by your desired password. Confirm your desired password and then enter the CAPTCHA code that is displayed on the image. Finally, click on I agree and then click on the Submit button to verify your information and proceed with finalizing your loan. Once you do this, you will easily be able to apply for your loan on Union Bank. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to apply for a loan on Union Bank Online. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.